I just want to walk you through some of the miscellaneous accessories I carry with me. The first thing is an intervalometer. This allows me to take photos remotely. I don't have to have my hand on the camera, which can cause camera shake, even on a tripod, and I can just plug in my intervalometer and I can press this button. I can also continuously shoot. I can also capture time lapses. This is like a $15, $20 tool, and it is so useful. I thoroughly recommend an intervalometer to everyone. It's like a cable release on steroids. The second thing, and this is going to seem a little bit unusual, but I carry sandwich bags with me. And the reason I have this is because I tend to shoot in less than favorable conditions where it might be raining, and you can protect your camera very simply. I usually use slightly better quality ones than these, but you can put your camera in this bag and just cover it from rain. Cut a little hole in the end, poke the lens through. The camera body is going to stay dry and it can get splashed with as much water as you like, and you'll still manage to make sure that the camera doesn't get wet. The other purpose that a bag like this serves is not only to keep my gear dry, but to dry it when it gets wet. When I was in Iceland a couple of years ago, there were 6 photographers on that trip, and 2 photographers had their cameras break because they got so wet. One of them managed to save their cameras because they packed dry pack silica gel. This is the stuff you find in the pockets of new clothes. It keeps goods dry and stops because it absorbs the moisture that's in the air and in the bag. So you can pack a bag full of these into a sandwich bag, throw your camera in there, your lens, and it will help to remove any of that condensation that's stuck inside your camera. If you're doing any severe weather conditions, this is an essential. And finally, what I like to pack is just a miscellaneous bag of goodies. In here you'll find I've got lens cloths. I have a lens cleaner, which I don't traditionally use because it's really high quality glass. I don't want to remove any of the protective coating that's on there. There's also some extra lens cleaning tissues. These are okay, but I do prefer the cloths. We have quite a famous shape for it. It's a blower that cleans out the inside of your camera, so it removes some of that dust that might be on the sensor. And there's also a brush and a lens pen to help remove any additional dust or dirt on the front of your lens. It's a pretty decent cleaning kit. It allows me to clean my sensor, my lens, and my camera if I need to. It is useful to have on you, not essential, but always keep something to keep your lens A, clean, and B, dry. And you're shooting it in adverse weather conditions, it's going to get wet. Have something at hand that's dry. That's why I have multiple of them to clean it. This is a new pack, but I've been through a couple of these before. So that's some miscellaneous accessories I carry with me when I shoot landscape photography.